Welcome. In front of me is a WIEPPO S5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And this process will also remove a pattern if you have one set that, for instance, you don't know the PIN pattern password to. So let me lock the device and you can see that I have a protection, and I'm going to proceed from here as though I don't know it. So number one, let's power down the device by holding power key and selecting power off. And once the device shuts down, you want to hold power key and volume up. And as you can see, we should be in boot mode. So from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. Give it a second, and you should see the Android root now command. And to get past this, you will need to hold power key and press volume up once, and this will take you to recovery mode. Now in here, simply again using volume keys, this time you can use both of them. So using them, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Then select yes, delete all user data, and again power key to confirm it. As you can see at the bottom, formatting data and data wipe complete as the last thing visible. And once it's done, you can see that the reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key once more to confirm that, and this will simply reboot the device. Now the device will still continue the reset in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for it to power back on, but once it's finished, we'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.